let's talk collaboration. Since we're operating in a global environment, the relationship between Kenya and Malaysia will continue to flourish, especially in the business sector, in a bid to open up more job opportunities for youths from both countries. Now, according to the Malaysian ambassador to Kenya, Ruzaimi Mohammed, there are very great opportunities when countries collaborate for the better future of their citizens. Mohammed was speaking while he officiated the award ceremony for the best students at the International Hotel and Tourism that offers lessons on tourism and hospitality.
Malaysia and Kenya, now we are having a very good relation. And of course, as ambassador, I will make the relation better through various ways. One of them is through trade, and another one is through education. We offer a lot of university tertiary education opportunities to study in Malaysia.
In a lot of cooking or food preparation, there has been a lot of reliance on olive oils, just to give you an example. But we realize that even palm oil can be used in preparing in a very sustainable way a lot of those products which were almost entirely reliant in the past in olive oil.
We wanted to improve our presence here to make sure that and IHCI and MPOC has common goal. We wanted to make Kenyan cuisine, the Kenyan palate more sustainable.